students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 10 exercise 10.4. I will solve question number 9. Now read the given question. Due to strong wind, a part of tree 18-meter high broke at a distance of 5 meters from the ground without separating from the main stem. The top of the tree touched the ground at what distance from the foot of the stem did the top of the tree fall on the ground? We have given a picture here also. After reading the question, we have understood that the height of the tree was 18 meter. Means you can see here, if we stand this part, it will reach to the 18-meter height. Okay, and this was broken due to the strong wind from 5 meter from the ground. Means this part is 5 meter length. So this remaining part we will get from subtracting 5 from the total height 18 meter. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, this part will become hypotenuse and this part become perpendicular. Here is a question mark. This question mark shows us that this to be found. Okay. So this part we have to find out. This is base. According to the Pythagoras theorem, if we subtract the perpendicular from the square of the hypotenuse, we will get the this part, means base, or the top of the tree touches from the ground. So using the given information, height of the tree, height of the tree is 18 meter and length away from the ground, it is 5 meter. The broken part is equal to 18 minus 5. This is 13 meter. Okay. Now I will draw it. Suppose that this is A, this is B and this is C. This is our right angle according to the given figure. This is 5 meter. This broken part is 13 meter because total height was 18 meter and this part has been become 5. So after subtracting it, we have get 13 meter. Now this is a question mark, means what is the this top is touching from the tree. Okay, so we have to find out this part. BC we have to found, so we can get it by AC ka square minus AB ka square. BC square means AC square 13 square and square of 5. 13 multiplied by 13 gives 169. 5 multiplied by 5 gives 25. Now subtracting the given number, 9 minus 5 it is 4 and 6 minus 2 it is 4 and 1. Now we have 144 and this is the square of 12, means 12 multiplied by 12 gives 144. Okay. Square has been cancelled and BC is 12. So length of the BC is 12 meter. This is our answer. Thank you children. Have a good day.